Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I'm your facilitator Mamoona Kokab and you are watching my channel Learning with Mamoona. Today I would like to discuss with you some specific words which are used on Eid-ul-Adha. These words are, first one is Mawashi Mandi, Mawashi Mandi, cattle market, cattle market. Second one is कुर्बानी का जानवर, कुर्बानी के जानवर, sacrificial animals, sacrificial animals. Next one is dumba, ram, dumba, ram. Next one is बकरा, male goat or he goat, male goat or he goat. The next word is oont, camel, camel. Next word is bear, chhatra, lamb, lamb. Next word is बैल, वच्छा, bull or ox, bull or ox. Next word is chara, fodder, fodder. Next one is qasai, butcher, butcher. Next word is chopper or toka, cleaver, cleaver. Next word is takhta or muddi, chopping block, chopping block. Next word is churi, chaku, چھریاں, butcher tools, butcher tools. Next word is khale, hides, hides. Next word is ojri, tripe, tripe. Next word is siripai, head and trotters, head and trotters. Next word is mustahqeen, deserving people, deserving people. Savaiyan, vermicelli, vermicelli. Next word is kheer, rice pudding, rice pudding. That's it. I hope you would like the video. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.